So this is just a quick video demo. You can actually, this is for the HW-K450 Samsung soundbar with the Bluetooth, some kind of Bluetooth problem. So you can just, if you listen, you can hear it skipping, which is, right? I mean, I'm only, say 15 feet away from the soundbar, and it's totally skipping right now, if you can hear it. I'll just turn it up a little bit. Right? Obviously, completely unusable. Don't mind my renovation, by the way, I'm almost done. But I was excited, I bought the TV and the soundbar thinking everything would be good. Obviously not. You can see how it kind of sped up there. That's usually what happens after it tries to resync or whatever when you're far enough away from it. So I don't know if it's interference from the Bluetooth subwoofer, which I have right here. But still, obviously, big problem. It's unacceptable. Especially when you have all of the Samsung products. Anyhow, that's it.